This is a Power Team SPX Model A, serial number 15038W2 88377. It's a hydraulic pump. The tank, it's currently empty, completely empty. There's nothing in it. This is where you would fill it in from. And this right here is where you would put your hose that the hydraulic would pump into. So it's a pretty basic operation. It's already powered up. Just hit the switch and it pumps. There's not a whole lot to it. It's damage free, complete. Don't want to run it too long because it's, like I said, it's completely empty. But this video is just demonstrate that the unit was working properly before it left, and obviously damage free.